Just here, Mom. I'll fix it for you.
Lincoln logs, those are great. They're for building houses there. See? Mommy used to play with those when I was a little girl, and so did Daddy, and Daniel, and Aunt Eileen.
Now it's his turn.
Yeah, you have Lincoln logs. Those are great.
Next year, I'll get Monopoly for you.
Did you give Grandpa a kiss and say thank you?
Thank you.
How about a kiss? How about stand up and give a kiss?
Wow, that's delicious.
Nah.
On the cheek. On the cheek. He kisses me on the mouth.
What's that? That's honey. Thank you.
Do not remove this part.
Oh yeah, I can build like little wagons.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, I have those.